2006 Nissan Pathfinder. How to remove and put in the back glass. The back glass is not like the others, like you gotta irritate it. It's just two screws, one here, one here, and they all use screwdriver to take it out. And also you have to pull down the pin, two pin here, and you got is a wire run all the way inside the wiper. You gotta pull that out. Also, next pin over here, the bracket, hold it up right up here. See the bracket? Two brackets. And next you pull off the wiper blade, take it out. It's actually wiper blade. It's right here. And I'll show you inside of it. This is the wire in the wiper blade. 2006 Pathfinder wiper blade. Also come on it and the bracket. That's the way you pull it down.